Hello everybody and welcome to Theme Park Coastin, and today we're down here over at Legoland Windsor to experience the opening of the Duplo Dino Coaster, which is their brand new mat coaster over here, and it's going to be amazing today because it's not just the Duplo Dino Coaster opening. They've also got so many new attractions over at the park getting refurbished and lots more. With me today we've got Jayden Austin,
hi,
Adam Derrick,
hello,
and Zach from James. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So many familiar faces as well. Just experience this attraction because of course it is based for kids around here, but I'm just so excited to get on it and share it with you guys. And if you do enjoy this dino-tastic, I don't know how it doesn't work, dino-tastic ride, make sure you hit the subscribe button just down there to stay up to date with way more videos, as well as following our social media, which Jay is doing right now for us over here, to see live when we go to sort of events. But with no further ado, let's get on to the brand new attraction for 2020. Oh, I'm so excited, here we go. And of course, can you guess what our first attraction is going to be? Of course, it's going to be the Duplo Dino Coaster itself. Honestly, so look forward to it. It's going to be absolutely amazing to do. Walking this for hands, thank you. Looking out for like, I've been looking at this ride for like a year now, and we're finally over here going towards the queue line to get on this attraction. I am so excited, really am. Let's get going on to it. Wow! Oh my god, let's go! Just like a look around this area, it's amazing. Oh god, in the queue. We're actually in the queue now to get onto this attraction. Our adventure waits over here on this attraction. Oh my god, it looks amazing. In a feeling like it's just phenomenal. All this atmosphere you get around here, and just wow, it really is impressive, this attraction. I'm so looking forward to heading on it in literally just 1 second.
Some dinos run. I'm the Duplo Dino, so let's have some fun.
Very immersive. I did think it'd be a bit faster than that. Did you?
no, it gets a bit steep.
It has like a very
So we just came off the Duplo Dino Coaster, and can I say something? That's actually a really good ride. Like, obviously it doesn't look like the most intense ride in the world, but overall just going on that, just the atmosphere you get, the scenery is absolutely amazing, and I really did enjoy that. But Zach, what did you think of it?
It was actually really fun. It does pick up a little bit speed, and you get 2 laps, so definitely worth it.
That's something I noticed yesterday when I was going to construction for this ride, is it fits in so well for land. Like, if you look around it's like a panorama, you can see the land, and it doesn't look out of place, it doesn't look like squished in, it looks perfect down the situation, it just makes it look a really amazing place. And so chuffed over here at a VIP event on this, and just wow, it's just, I'm really impressed with it actually. The ride itself though, no airtime really at all, but you got some good aspects. You go round twice, and overall I'm quite impressed with that actually, and I'm really happy with that. But Jayden, what did you think of it?
Yeah, that was actually really fun. Even though it's a tiny coaster, you don't get any air time. It's really pretty slow, but I like the first drop, favourite bit. But good scenery though.
Yeah, like you said, the scenery just around here is just amazing. Kids, like imagine being a kid and like walking around here and seeing like all these tables around, all the colours, and just interactivity around this land. And I've been on all 4 coasters that's ever been at Legoland. So I've been on the jungle one when it first opened. I've also been on, which is now gone. I've now also been on the Dragon Apprentice, the Horse Dragon Coaster, and now right on back there. And I've got to say, that's one of my favourite coasters. But another about Duplo Dino Coaster right now, even though it's the main thing that's coming over here. But also we've got some new rides here as well, like this like helicopter ride. There's a new player park over here, and of course the water park is still the same over here. But now we're going to continue our day over at the like Duplo area. We're heading over towards, let's see what else there is in Duplo Valley, including having our VIP breakfast. Breakfast. Oh.
sorry.
Well, here we are now inside of Farmer Joe's Chicken Company. So actually everything but chicken. We're actually having our breakfast in the morning, and can I say something now? I've never been so impressed with what you get for breakfast. I thought it was going to be like a croissant and just give you that, and it's just going to be like really simple, you just have nothing. But actually, you've got so much of this. And of course, I'm a healthy child, so I've gone for a banana. Oh, and a muffin. Because who doesn't like a muffin? But Zach, you're most looking forward to the breakfast, weren't you? Here?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good.
You can stuff the bag full of as much as you want.
And it's all you can eat as well, so I might get some to go as well. But Jade,
you've got a banana, and you think you're healthy. I've got a banana and and look what I've got. Here we go. So I've got some juice and also, you probably get this chocolate muffin.
Everyone's got chocolate muffin. You can't get a chocolate muffin on a Saturday morning, waking up, going on a new coaster, and eating some food. This can't get any better, can it? Well, this is the VIP event of the opening of the Duplo Dino Coaster. Here we go, go right. Whoa! Everyone gonna cheer! Next around. Now, I know it may be weird, but I can see an awesome view of just Dino Coaster behind me. But I'm actually in the plane because I just saw this new rocket ship and I thought I have to go in there. And not many kids in there, so it's okay to film really. But obviously, normally when there's loads of kids around, try not to film really because it's a bit inappropriate. But I now want to go down the slide. So you've probably never seen me do this before, but this is the first time everything. I'm going to go down the slide over it and the Duplo, rocket ship. So let me just get my seat down. I'm going to hit my head up. Ready? Here we go. Let's do a test slide with you. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, that was so intense. Seriously. Woo! Jayden, do that slide. That slide is awesome. Wow! That was crazy. Seriously, absolutely crazy. Well, that's the new area of the play area, and now we're going to do our last ride of the day over. What else we're doing in here?
For the slide plans.
Oh, we're going round in the helicopter. That's how we turn around, and you can see me. Come on, guys, keep turning. Hey! Woo! Look how cool it is. A lovely theme for this land. It's so great. Seriously, hello! Hey! Awesome. Love the helicopters. Well, now it's time, as it basically means that we are going home from this amazing land that's just opened today and part of the VIP event. In literally half an hour now, the proper people coming in, there'll be queues, there'll be packed down here, and it will just be so amazing to see that coming. But at the moment, we're going to be leaving here after having an amazing time, completing all the attractions and just all around having an absolutely amazing time. But overall, I would recommend this event. It was £25 each for us to get in. The breakfast, I'd say, was worth probably like £5 for us. Then you could do a ride, which I'll talk about later. The port bag probably sell for like £10. Basically, you're paying £10 to get fast pass for all the rides around here. So overall, I'd recommend it, especially if you're a fan and want to do this again. Of course, now you probably can't do it, but really, I think it's really good over here. However, like I said, now we're going to watch the coaster come out for the last time as I now leave the park, and you can see the GoPros up there, stuff collected on, which I really wish we could have done, but we forgot a GoPro today. However, I still really enjoyed this opening day, and if you did, of course, make sure to subscribe, like, and do our sort of pizzazz over here on our channel, as I really did enjoy doing this for you guys, and I hope if you guys enjoyed, we'll go to more openings just like this one. But yeah, there you go, it's now over from here. My name is Derrick, and people Coastin, and as I get off the helicopters, I'm going to say goodbye from me. So, my name is Derrick, we are Coastin, and we just finished an amazing opening day vlog of the Duplo Dino Coaster. And see you soon, guys. Goodbye.